Welcome back to day 75, purpose-driven content. And in today's 75 of our Confidence to Cash 90-day sprint, we're going to talk about something that most creators forget. Your content isn't just content, it carries purpose. Every video that you make is planting a seed in someone else's life. When you hit post, you're not just posting the void. You're speaking to a real person, real people's struggles, real dreams, real battles that they're trying to overcome. Your content has the power to shift someone's mindset, give someone hope, and teach them something that changes everything, moves them closer to freedom, and show them what's possible in their life. And here's the most important part. People aren't following you because you're perfect. People follow you because you speak to something inside them. They feel your heart. They feel your story. They feel your intention. When you show up through fear, through doubt, through those busy days, through imperfect moments, someone watching is thinking, if she can do it, maybe I can too. Your content isn't random. It's not noise. It's a message to someone that needs it today. So here's your day 75 assignment. Think of one person your content is speaking to, not thousands, just one. Give that person your story, your struggle, and your goal. That person needs you. So give that person a story, give that person a struggle, give that person a goal. And guess what? It's just the younger version of you. Write down what they're going through this week. What are they worried about? What were you worried about? What are they praying for? What were you praying for? What do they wish that someone would just explain? What answers are you looking for? It is just you. You're talking to that perfect person. It's just a younger version of you, my friend. So create one video today that speaks directly to that one person. That one person is you. As if you're sitting across the table from them, over coffee, over tea, over your favorite beverage. This is how your content gains purpose. It gains depth and it gains connection. This is what makes people trust you. So you're not just posting videos. You're planting seeds of possibility. You're leading with faith and you're proving what's possible through consistency and courage. Keep showing up. Your purpose is bigger than your fear. So here's your challenge today. Comment below and tell me one person your content's speaking to this week. Their struggle, their desire, and why they matter to you. And grab today's worksheet so that you can map out your purpose-driven content plan. So make sure you subscribe and don't miss day 76. It's going to help you speak with clarity and confidence every single time you step in to your message. See you tomorrow, my friends.